Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
Let's take a look at the question word shénme. Shénme means what, and it is used to ask open-ended questions. Unlike English, where questions always start with the question word, when asking questions in Chinese, the question word is usually placed at the end of the question or before the noun or object of the question. For example, the question 你叫什么名字 follows the same structure. 你 you is the subject. 叫 to be called is the verb. And 名字 name is the object. Therefore, 什么 should be placed before it. Although worded slightly differently, this question essentially means, what is your name? Or, what name are you called by? When answering 什么 questions in Chinese, the sentence structure is similar to that of the question. Start with the subject. If the subject used in the question is 你 you, then the subject should be changed from 你 you to 我 I in the reply, since you are answering a question about yourself. This is followed by the same verb used in the question, and then simply replace the question phrase 什么 and the object with the answer. Depending on the situation, the object or noun following 什么 can be omitted. In this case, 名字 or name is omitted in the answer because I am called Amy name or I am called name Amy would be grammatically incorrect. Let's take a look at another example. To ask, what is this? According to the Chinese sentence structure, we should put the subject 这 this first, followed by the verb 是 to be, and then put the question word 什么 right at the end. In English, the order of the question would be this is what? Once again, in the reply, the same structure is kept, and the question word 什么 is simply replaced by the answer. This is tea. 这是茶. If a noun is added to the question, for example, 这是什么茶? What tea is this? Then the answer should replace the question phrase 什么茶? What kind of tea? So the answer should be 这是中国茶. This is Chinese tea. In this case, the noun 茶 is not omitted in the answer because an omission would make the sentence ungrammatical.
Download Mandalion Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.